Guys, so today we're gonna be making some curry turkey neck. I don't eat turkey neck, but this is one of my favorite things to eat. So she already cleaned the turkey neck for me. Yes, you know. And then we're just gonna season.
Fly me to the moon and let me sing among those stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore.